Let's talk a little bit about marketing and kind of what your approach is. We have members that sort of let the location do the talking. We have other members that do very elaborate marketing plans. Where do you fall in that mix of marketing the store?
I think that location and signage on its own, it does a lot of the heavy lifting. Google reviews, we mainly drive marketing. In the coming month, we're going to be expanding to other avenues, augmenting Google with Facebook and Instagram.
Well, honestly, Gus, when we were planning this trip to come look at laundromats in this area, I Googled your store and saw these. I saw a bunch of great reviews, and that got me that much more excited about coming to see you. So what's your approach in terms of soliciting, or do you solicit these better reviews or responding to reviews, and just how important Google is? How do you, maybe that's some of that office time that you spend.
So first is when we see a customer that is, is pleased, the attendants, go and say, hey, are you happy with your experience, right? We have a QR code with the NFC tag. We can actually just tap the phone and let the experience of leaving a review fairly easy. So we're kind of proactive, proactive looking at when there is a customer that is pleased, customer happy, please go and say, hey, if you're happy, would you mind leaving a review? Really simple.
Nothing wrong with asking for a good review if they've had a good experience.
It's kind of organic, and obviously, when the door is always open, meaning sometimes we have negative reviews. We have negative reviews, and we reply to them. When there is a negative review, we try to find out, what happened, right? What happened, and typically, the negative reviews where you can learn the most. Where if you, especially like us, we are not at the store all the time, you can learn things that might be happening that you are not aware of.